I'm going to teach you how to use data tables in n8n. Data tables let you store and manage information directly inside n8n, so your automations can keep track of things like leads, records, or workflow results without relying on an external database. If you're building flows that need to remember what happened, or reuse information later, this feature keeps everything in one place and easy to maintain. Let's start by opening the Data Tables area. After you log in, look to the left sidebar and click Overview. Under the main tabs, you'll see options like Workflows, Credentials, Executions, Variables, and Data Tables. Click Data Tables. This is the hub where you create and manage the tables that power your automations. Think of it as a lightweight database that lives inside n8n, designed to be simple and fast for everyday automation needs. Next, create a data table. Head to the top right corner and open the Create Workflow dropdown. From that menu, choose Create Data Table. This action sets up a new table your workflows can write to and read from. Common use cases include tables for customer leads, expense records, email subscribers, or workflow logs. Use clear names so it's obvious what each table stores, and keep one table focused on one type of data. Once the table is created, it's immediately available for your workflows to reference. After you've created a table, open it to manage your records. Inside the table, you can add new rows, view stored data, update records, and delete entries you no longer need. This direct editing experience makes it easy to keep your automation data tidy. Try to keep your formatting consistent across rows, like using the same date format and standardized text values, so your workflows run reliably and your filters behave as expected. Now, bring your data tables into your workflows. Within a workflow, you can add new records as events happen, retrieve stored data to make decisions, update existing entries as details change, and delete records when they're no longer relevant. A typical flow might receive form data, save it into a data table, and then reference that saved data later in another automation, like sending follow-up emails or generating reports. As a best practice, test with sample data first and confirm you're writing to the correct table before you automate at scale. To wrap up, you open the Data Tables section, create a new data table, manage your records, and then use that table inside your automation workflows. Data tables make it simple to store and reuse automation data directly within n8n, keeping your processes organized and your workflows running smoothly.